Yes, hello everyone. My name is Kinichi Ghost and you're welcome to yet another interesting section. Have you ever wondered how to save files opened in Photoshop to PDF? So let's jump into it and see. These are your files. You have like 4 files open in Photoshop. You go to File. Under File, you go to Automate. Under Automate, you go to PDF Presentation. Under PDF Presentation, you click on this toggle multi-page. Then you click on Add Open Files, which are the files open in your Photoshop. Click on Save. Let me save. So yeah, that's it. Go to desktop. What's the name of our file again? Name of our file is da. Save as a PDF.